President Draupadi Murmu will undertake a 3-day visit to the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu beginning today. The country's net direct tax collection has witnessed 15.41% growth in this financial year so far, reaching to over 12,10,000 crore rupees. Public Service Broadcasting Day is being observed today. The day is celebrated every year to commemorate the only visit of Mahatma Gandhi to the studio of Akashvani in Delhi in 1947. The safety of women and children remains a top priority for the government, especially when it comes to protecting vulnerable children found on railway premises as well as ensuring safe travel for single women nationwide. The government has extended the tenure of Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri till the 14th of July 2026.